If you are practicing English every day but still you don't feel fluent, then maybe you missing these three habits. Earlier, I was not able to speak English even for 1 minute, but now I can speak English for 10 to 15 minutes without stopping. How did it happen? Who had changed my spoken English? Let me share with you these three habits. These three habits helped me improve my spoken English, and these habits can help you too. Please watch this video till the end to know these three habits. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Ramakant. Welcome back to my channel Learning English Together. In today's video, I want to share three effective habits that helped me improve my English. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. I want to share with you one thing. I'm not an English teacher. I'm not very fluent in English. The way you speak English, the same way I speak English too. I'm still learning. I still make mistakes, but I don't stop. Now, let me begin with the first habit. The first habit is consistency. Yes, my friends, I practice English every day. Some days I practice English for 2 to 3 hours. Some days I practice English for 30 to 40 minutes. It depends on my time. If I have more time, I practice more. If I have less time, I practice less. But I don't break my consistency. I don't break my momentum because I know that if I don't practice English for 2 days in one go, I will forget whatever I have learned. What happens, my friends, when we don't practice consistently? We don't feel confident. We feel nervous. We don't get the right word at the right time. We get stuck while speaking English. We start facing these problems while speaking English. That is why consistency is very important. Remember, consistency is very important than perfection. You don't need to speak perfect English. You just have to speak even if you make mistakes. Even if you feel nervous, your nervousness will disappear slowly and slowly. And now let me tell you the second habit. The second habit is thinking in English. Yes, my friends. Earlier, I used to translate every sentences into English. Whenever I started talking to people, whenever I started communicating with people in English, I translated every sentences into English, then I spoke. That made me feel nervous. I hesitated. I felt nervous, uncomfortable. I did not get the right word at the right time. Sometimes I zone out of my idea. I did not understand what to say next. I faced this problem. Finally, I started thinking in English. Let me show you how. अगर मुझे कहना है कि मुझे भूख लग रहा है, आई डिड नॉट से मुझे भूख लग रहा है. आई सेड इन इंग्लिश, आई एम फीलिंग हंग्री, आई नीड टू हैव सम फूड. आई एम फीलिंग थर्स्टी, आई हैव टू गो टू मार्केट टू परचेस वेजिटेबल्स. नाउ आई फील लाइक हैविंग सम स्वीट्स. लेट्स प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश नाउ. It is the time to practice English. That is how I started thinking in English. At first, it felt difficult, but slowly and slowly it became easier for me. Now I'm able to express my thoughts and ideas more clearly. Thinking in English can elevate your speaking skills. The third habit is very powerful, which is recording myself in front of the camera. I started recording myself in front of the camera. When I first recorded myself in front of the camera, I felt nervous, uncomfortable, unconfident. I could not understand what to say next. I did not understand. I made many mistakes. You can't imagine what did how did I start recording myself. I remembered those days when I first recorded my first video. I hesitated a lot. To make a 5 minutes video, I took more than one day. You could imagine how pathetic I was at English when I first started recording myself in front of the camera. But the good thing is that when we record ourselves in front of the camera, we listen back, we review our mistakes, what mistakes we are making, in which sentence we made a mistake. We review our mistakes, we get it fixed. When we record ourselves in front of the camera, we build our confidence. We overcome hesitation, nervousness, everything disappears slowly and slowly. And we repeat the one sentence over and over again. That's a kind of practice. These three habits helped me improve my speaking skills. You tell me in the comments, do you practice English consistently? Do you think in English? Do you record yourself? I'll tell you one thing, my friends. Recording yourself in front of the camera is not everyone's cup of tea. It takes energy, efforts, it takes a lot of courage. Then you come in front of the camera and record yourself like this. But it is very helpful. Once you start doing it, you will see a big improvement in your communication skills. You will realize that your English is improving faster. Earlier, I was not able to speak English, but now I'm able to communicate myself in a better way in front of the camera because I have been doing this activity for a long time. If you don't believe it, do it for 1 month and then see the result. You will be shocked. You will be shocked, my friends. You will be shocked. It really helpful. It really helped me to improve my English. This is what I wanted to share in this video. This is for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye, guys.